courts. Sometimes witnesses can have inconsistencies, but uma Miss Mvula ezosiphathela ama-records, we will also take them. Ungadi-ema uSis Just noma uB or myself, uyabona?
Yeah, can I come in? Yazi, with what Mvula's did, Tina, we are here to discuss the case, and if we feel Uguti Umamagachwa is a liar, we have the right to say so. Nobody should bully us into, if she's a liar, she's a liar. If she's truthful, then we'll discuss that. Nobody must bully us, and we will not allow ourselves to be bullied by anyone. So far, it looks like she's lying. So far, to us, it looks like she wants attention. That's how she looks. Until we get other evidence that suggests otherwise, then we will look into that. But nobody should say anything to us. We are not intimidated. So far, she seems like a liar. Thank you.
Mwepe. Can Mwepe hear me? Mwepe.
Yeah, Mvula, I think you need to apologize to Morolong for calling him a rapist apologist. Because he's not that, and he's not a rapist, and he has not apologized for rapist. First and foremost.
What is he saying? What was he saying?
Yeah, but
Because
which grave did he apologize for?
Sis Mvula mama, ngicela just say
Which grave? Wait, please. Which grave did he apologize for?
it was great case.
Who is that person?
By insinuating that because mother
who is
is an
that
attention
person?
seeker,
No,
because she has raised
wait. Who is that?
No,
My sister, you are going to answer this question. Who is that person?
I'm not going to apologize.
Okay, because you're not going to apologize, I'm going to remove you.
Ngwephe bengicela usisi ukuthi asho lo line lona omenze wafika kulo conclusion, and then maybe she can take it back if it's offensive. Lo line that made her conclude, because it's important also to hear somebody who has a direct, intimate, even if we don't agree with what she is saying, we have to still get the narrative, because nobody knows why Ingane was in hospital 5 months later.
No. She must apologize or withdraw. Simple.
Umfana was in hospital 2 days after she was raped, and she has been in and out in hospital since then. I don't know how many times she has been in and out.
Talk to me.
What I am not going to
I asked you a question. Who is that person Morolong apologized for? And if that person is not there, please apologize to Morolong right now.
Sorry, Ngwephe, Sis Mvula, is it okay for you to withdraw the...
Wait. Sis Mvula, can you withdraw your statement for accusing Morolong for being a rapist and a rapist apologist?
Okay, I am withdrawing that statement. That I say he is a rape apologist.
Okay, I
I'm
apologize to
withdrawing
him
that
right
statement. I've withdrawn the statement that I said he is a rape apologist for accusing because mother and lying. I have withdrawn that statement.
Okay, sisi asisho ukuthi ena ubungaqondile kodwa ube nama...
Wait, Jaibo, she must apologize. Then apologize to him.
I'm not gonna do that. You might as well remove me.
Okay, thank you so much.
Ngwephe, don't remove her. She's coming to the court.
Here we're not running a charity case here.
It's not a charity. Benzo disagree.
Yeah, but it's my rules. Again, I'm the host. It's my rules. We are not going to accuse you with anything. We are respecting you whether you agree with us or you don't agree with us. We don't accuse anybody with something that they have never done. It's not going to happen. It's not going to happen.
My good host, we need to hear why the child was there yesterday.
But she needs to apologize for saying things that are not factual.
Can I apologize for her on her behalf? Because
no, you don't apologize for another person. They must apologize because apology comes from the heart.
She is an activist, and we need to.
We don't care. We don't care. She must apologize.
Mr. Morolong,
Because Morolong is a man. I get it. Morolong is a man. I get it. You guys were fighting for what Megji was saying to Manager Men. We have to be neutral. We have to be 50-50. We also need to call Umini for saying things about Megji as well. So in this live, we account for what we do, for what we say. Let's continue. Tando, did you find that clip?
Oh, Hopula, I'm going through YouTube videos and I have to watch these things and forward and go back and stuff. So I'm just watching and that's why I keep muted.
Okay, in the meantime,
Morolong, you've been waiting to speak, my brother. I think Morolong
No, I'm fine,
was speaking before that lady came in, no?
okay, Morolong, and then
I
we'll go to
was.
B.
I was, but let us put B in. I'll come at a later stage. Thank you, bro.
Hey, Mr. Morolong, and my apologies for the abuse, my brother, you went through. I really apologize. And people
No.
need to understand that if you are angry, then you need to also look at the factors that can also affect other people. Yeah, what? So we're not going to allow people to
Yeah.
disrespect men, especially on our panel. Here we advocate for respect. And respect goes both ways. Like Red say, it's not a gender thing. You're not just a woman and you are being respected. You need to respect other people as well.
That's very true.
Yeah. So you can, yeah. B, you can go ahead.
Molweni kwipanel. Ndicela uthetha isiXhosa. Sizandixakekisa isilungu kusesekuseni. Ndicela uqala ndixolise on behalf of usisi Nomvula ku Morolong. Bhuti ndiyaxolisa kakhulu ngento eyenzekileyo ne. Usisi Nomvula une-anger, sinemisindo silapha eMatatele ngenxa yezinto eziqhubekayo apha and we end up sisenza izinto ngendlela ezingekho right. Umsindo ungakuthatha ukuphose kwenye direction obungayiqondanga. Into eyenzeka apha eMatatele yiyo lesenza side si-end up sibe kwezi meko esikuzo. Because zininzi cases zisenzeka apha eMatatele kube ngathi akwenzekanga nto. Kube ngathi akufanga umntana abebhubhile phofu elinyaziwe ngumuntu. Ezi zinto ezenzekayo zi-end up zidevelop i-anger apha kuthi singomama babantwana. And laa nto i-end up isenza singakhululeki uthatha abantwana bethu sibase ezikolweni ngenxa yento eqhubekayo apha eMatatele. Kuningi kuyenzeka, zinintsi. Ayizozo ezi cases azibalayo kuphela, akuphelelanga kuzo. Zinintsi cases eziqhubekayo. Kunekhesi entsha evumbukileyo umntwana oreyitshiwe kule ndawo ndikuyo engumntana esikolo ona-16 years. Sentsho uba zininzi ziyenzeka bobhuti. Ndicela nisixolele xa sifika kule panel, kwezi panels sifika sesinemisindo. Zizinto esidlula kuzo apha eMatatele.
Mr. Ngwepe, Baba, 1 second. Miss B, Mr. Ngwepe, I want you to remember this part. Yakhumbula the Lusikisiki 18 family members that were unalived. Lusikisiki, and the hit was organized a prison. A police station was less than a kilometer away. And those high caliber weapons were going, but some.
There's a group of people who are always discussing a case about better angaboko kongwabe bungani baning guys. So each and every time when Ukwekwe's mom updates us about Facebook, bayahamba bayokhuluma ngaloko bona dragging uMakwekwe saying ukuthi she's a liar, she's seeking attention ngemntwana yakhe hey uqamba manga. You guys bakhuluma like all sort of nasty things ngamakwekwe lapha kuma social media platforms, and Makwekwe wangena ku live yabo abakhoda ngokuthi waye bakhulume ngaye uze watshelwa abantu ukuthi ayongena kule live because bakhuluma into debates ako ngaye, but still bayaqhubeka aba-give up. They even using fake accounts to post because mawungena kula ma-accounts yabo yababona nje ukuthi abaposti bona, meaning ukuthi bayabhaqa ukuthi bangibobani. Guys, this is so sad. It's really, really sad. Lendo lapha yenda kuMakwekwe. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I am signing out, so goodbye.